In this video, we will solve exponential and logarithmic equations with base e. I have 4 examples to show you. Solve the following exponential equations using logarithms. But you know, the bottom you're seeing, these are not exponential equations, these are log equations, so I need to change the direction a little bit. But hey, let's just solve for these variables. Round the answers to 3 decimal places. Okay, I'll start with this one. I have e raised to the 3x power equals 2. So I need to bring this x down. It shouldn't be up there. I want to solve for x. So what do we do to both sides? Take natural log of both sides. So natural log of e raised to the 3x power equals natural log of 2. Whenever you have a variable stuck up in the exponent's position, take natural log of both sides. That's how you can bring it down, okay? So I take natural log of both sides. This exponent will come down, okay? I will have 3x. And look, natural log of e, that is just 1. That's just 1. So I'm not going to, well, okay, I'll write it. That is just 1. And this equals natural log of 2. All right. Can I go ahead and erase this 1 now? Okay, multiplying by 1 doesn't change anything. Okay, what do you do to both sides to solve for x? Divide by 3, and that is it. That is all you need to do to solve this equation. So x is equal to natural log of 2 divided by 3. And now remember, we have to get a decimal approximation of this. Whoopsies. And they wanted what? Round to 3 decimal places. So I'll go ahead and open up a calculator. I'll type in natural log of 2 divided by 3. The decimal. Oh, hold on, just 1 second. So when I type it in, the decimal comes out to be 0.231. That one was simple. All right, let's try the other ones. This one is very similar, but I need to start the problem by getting rid of that 250 multiplying. So I'll go ahead and start by dividing both sides by 250. 250. If I do that, I will get e raised to the 0.015t. Give me 1 second again. So much distractions today. Okay. So that equals what? 750 divided by 250 must be 3. Okay. Now I'm going to take natural log of both sides. Why? Because this t that we are trying to solve for is stuck up there. So whenever you have the variable that you're trying to solve for, whenever you have an exponential equation, to bring it down, take natural log of both sides. So I said natural log of e to the 0.015t. That equals natural log of 3. Okay, this exponent will come down. I will have 0.015t. And look, this part right there, natural log of e is just 1. So I don't have to write that anymore. I'll say that is equal to natural log of 3. Last thing you need to do is just divide both sides by 0.015. 0.015. So that t is equal to this, but what is that in decimal? I'll just cross out this number here. I need to get a calculator to find the decimal approximation. So let's go find that. I need to do natural log of 3 divided by 0.015. Oh, the answer is 73.241. Okay, so we solved 2 exponential equations. I know you remember this from Math 161, right? But now let's solve logarithmic equations. So I have natural log of 4 minus 2x equals 7. we have to rewrite this in exponential form. We have to rewrite this in exponential form, okay? So remember, natural log is really log base e, right? It's really log base e, and all that equals 7. So if you rewrite this in exponential form, the base is e, the exponent is 7. So we get e to the 7th power equals that argument of 4 minus 2x. So this, what I just did, this is rewriting a log equation or log expression into an exponential. So if this part was confusing, let me know. We can do some more practice problems, okay? All right, I just need to solve this for x now. So what do? You subtract 4 from both sides. Minus 4, minus 4. I will get e to the 7th power minus 4 equals negative 2x. All right, last step, divide both sides by negative 2. Negative 2. We found what x is. X is e to the 7th power minus 4 divided by negative 2. Let's get the decimal of this. I need to type in a fraction, e to the 7th power minus 4 divided by negative 2. It is negative 546.317. So that's it. Okay, we solved that equation. Okay, let's do the last one. I need to solve this logarithmic, a natural log equation for x. First thing we will do is subtract that 2. So that is not there anymore. I will have 3 times natural log of x minus 1 equals 6. Now I need to divide both sides by 3, right? Let's divide both sides by 3. If we do that, we'll have natural log of x minus 1 equals 6 divided by 3 is 2. Now we're going to write this in exponential equation. Base is e, exponent is 2, and the whole thing equals the argument of x minus 1. All right, we're one step away from our final answer. But I think I can tell that some of you may want to see or do more practice on how we went from that line to this line. So, if that's the case, we can work on that together, okay? Last part, add 1 to both sides. We get x is equal to e squared plus 1. And what is that approximately? E squared plus 1. E squared plus 1. The decimal is 8.389. And that's it. We solved 2 exponential equations and 2 logarithmic equations as review. So I think this is something that you've seen in Math 161. But the reason we went over these is in order for us to solve these exponential or log application problems, we need to remember how to solve these equations, okay? So I'll come back and go over, I believe I have 3 homework problems, question 8, question 9, and question 10 that are from your 2.1 homework. All right, see you soon.